Hey, this is David from Presence Videography. This is a great kayak trip along the northeastern side of Lake Washington from Juanita Bay, south past Kirkland and on to Yarrow Bay. With lots of natural areas, bird life, cool waterfront properties, the Kirkland skyline, and places to stop, swim, and have a picnic, this is one of our favorite kayak destinations. This video is in 4K ultra high definition, so check your viewing settings or 4K to make sure you're seeing the best quality. We'll share some tips near the end of this video about how to enjoy this kayak trip best. We'd love your support if you want to give us a thumbs up, and check out the other kayaking videos in our playlist. Subscribe to get notified of more videos like this. Enjoy! This is Juanita Bay and Juanita Beach Park. We launched just to the left of the barrier and walkway you can see around the swimming area. And here we are just south of Juanita Bay, heading south towards Kirkland with another large group of kayakers. This is a popular kayaking route. We passed lots of other kayakers and stand-up paddleboarders on this route. It's a favorite of the Seattle area. There are lots of parks to launch from and take a rest at, have a picnic, or a swim. Waverly Beach Park looks like another great put-in point if the parking at Juanita Bay is full. Kirkland Marina boat launch could be a good launch point for your kayak, but I personally find launching from a dock tricky and prefer launching from a beach. Here we're paddling south of Kirkland towards Yarrow Bay, passing by David E. Brink Park. One of our favorite parks on this paddle is Marsh Park. They have a great beach to stop and launch from, and good picnic spots and a washroom. It's also a great place for a swim to cool off. This is looking north, back towards Kirkland. And this is looking south towards our next stop, Yarrow Bay. Here's my semi-controlled kayak entry. I find it helpful to use my paddle to stabilize the kayak while getting into it. One of the pieces of equipment I really recommend for any kayaker is a tether for your paddle. Super important to ensure you don't drop it and have it drift away or sink. Houghton Beach Park is another great kayak launch spot if you wanted to start closer to Yarrow Bay. Here we're just entering Yarrow Bay. And finally the Yarrow Bay Wetlands, our destination. This was a beautiful natural area, great to explore by kayak. We found this cool inlet into the wetlands that we could paddle up to explore. One of the things I love about kayaking is you can paddle in just a few inches of water and explore areas you could not get to by foot or boat. Thanks for watching. We wanted to share a few tips on how to enjoy the best of this kayak trip. The first tip is, Juanita Bay has a parking limit of 4 hours and the lot fills up early, so get there early. We parked at the western edge where we could easily transport our kayaks to the beach via the path. Note that the swimming area has a concrete walkway barrier around it, so you can't launch inside the main beach area. The best place to launch is the beach just outside this walkway on the western side. But it's about a 500-foot walk from the parking lot to this beach, so that's a bit far to carry a kayak, we found. We each used a kayak trolley under our kayaks to make it easy to pull down to the beach. With these, a single person can literally pull a kayak with one hand, and all the weight is on the trolley wheels. We also take them on the kayak, securing them easily on the back of the kayak with deck bungees in case you want to use them at a pull-out point along the way. If you like this video, we'd love your support if you want to give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to get notified when we release new videos like this. Kayaking is always more fun in a group. If you have any family or friends that would be interested in this video, we'd love you to share it with them. If you have any questions or comments, we welcome you to share them in the comments section of this video. Thanks and happy kayaking. Bye for now.